Good day, guys. It's your one and only Beastleg72, as you all know me, your mentor. So, guys, before I go any further, if you didn't subscribe to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I'll be dropping the next hot one. You understand? And also, if you are a new subscriber to the channel, thanks for joining us. Thanks for joining the community. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Understand? So we will be talking about gold, Euro USD, USD, JPY. So on the previous video, we were looking for selling opportunities on gold and Euro USD, and we were looking for buying opportunities on USD, JPY. So our guide was the XY. You can still see that the XY is still buying. You understand? We have a new high there. You understand? Let me just identify it. We have a new high where the market rejected, which means it will act as your resistance, and we currently have the market coming into our support. So we will simply wait for the market to just respect this support and then continue to push to the top side. You understand? The XY will always act as our guide. You understand? So let's move to gold and see what gold has for us. So on gold, you can still see, guys, let me just move to smaller time frames. You understand? We were looking for those buying opportunities. Those buying opportunities took place. You understand? Let me just do this. Let me just go to this 1 hour chart so you can all see. You understand? We were looking for those buying opportunities. You understand? We were looking for those buying opportunities. We were waiting for the market to come and retest, but the market never came to retest. That is when I used my golden zone. You understand? So I used my golden zone on my 4 hour chart. So let's see how it worked out. You understand? So I had my no, I'm wrong. I am wrong, guys. I'm wrong. Sorry about that. I am wrong. You understand? I used my golden zone on my 1 hour chart because I saw that I have any low and a high. You understand? So what I did was I simply took the market from my low. I simply took the market from this low to this high. You understand? To this high there. So I can see the market was on this golden zone, you understand? And simply those buying opportunities were simply there, you understand? So I took those buying opportunities to this red line here, and you can see we did hit TP, you understand? That is the power of the golden zone, guys, you understand? You'll never go wrong, guys. I dropped a video regarding golden zone and the zones, you understand? So you'll just have to go back and go check it out. Sorry for the noise, guys. Sorry for the noise, you understand? Sorry for the noise. So now we are on USD JPY. So we are looking for those buying opportunities on USD JPY. You can see the market came into our golden zone. Simply those buying opportunities were supposed to be there to this high there, and then your stop loss was simply supposed to be below this golden zone. You understand? So you just had to aim for this high there. You understand? And the market, you can see it was creating a double bottom and pushing to the top side, but because of this resistance there, the market is still pushing the market to the downside. But we have to monitor this zone and allow the market or the price to push and break and retest and continue its movement to the top side. You understand? We simply have to wait for that. So let us move to Euro USD. Simply on Euro USD, we were looking for those selling opportunities, and the market sold to our take profit. Where was our take profit? Our take profit was simply on our end of the 90% rule, if you still remember correctly. If you didn't watch the previous video, I would advise you to go back and watch it. So there is our 90% rule there, and you can see the market did come. It even broke this zone. Now it's coming back to retest on one of the two, and then we just have to carry on with the movement to the downside. You understand? So we did hit TP eventually on Euro USD. You understand? So let's see how it went. You understand? We had this pattern, guys, and we saw the market did break this pattern. And what did we use? We used our golden zone from this high there to the low there. You understand? And the market simply came into our golden zone, and we took those selling opportunities to the downside to this 90% rule there. Simply TP was hit. So you can see the power of the golden zone. You understand? Whenever the market leaves you out, guys, whenever the market leaves you out, don't ever think there is no other opportunity. You just have to find your low and your high, or your high or your low, then simply use the golden zone. That's the power of the golden zone. Understand? So now today's business will be the indices. We'll be focusing on the indices. You already know I always start on my highest time frame. So my highest time frame is my weekly chart. What am I looking for on my weekly chart? I am looking for those highs and lows. You understand? I will be identifying those highs and lows. So I have my low there, I have my one, I have my high there. You understand? So I have my high and I have my low. What am I looking for now? I'll just be focusing on whatever it's inside the support and resistance. You understand? And I will simply use my tool to find my zones. You understand? So I will be using my tool to find my zones. Guys, if you don't mind, please share the channel to many people so we can spread the word and grow the community. You understand? And if you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe to the channel so we can grow the channel. You understand? And also, if you don't mind, please like the video so YouTube can recommend this video to many people out there, you understand, who are still looking for help. You understand? So we are identifying our zones. You understand? So we have our zones there, guys. You understand? We have our zones. This is our simple way of identifying zones. Understand? So let me just identify the zones so we can move to the smaller time frames. You understand? So this is our way of identifying our zones. So we only identify zones on our weekly time frame. You understand? On the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, we don't identify anything. We only focus on the strongest zones. You understand? Once you go to your 1 hour, 4 hour, those are no longer your strongest zones. You understand? So you just have to focus on your strongest zones. You understand? These are your strongest zones, you understand, that act as your support and resistance. You understand? So you simply have to identify them only on the highest time frame, which is your weekly chart. Understand? I'm not saying on any strategy, on this strategy specifically. You understand? If you are my fan, if you are my subscriber, you'll know that by now. You understand? So you can pretty see that the market did respect these zones. You understand? Look at the chart and see how the market respected these zones. So you can see the market pretty respected this resistance there. Not resistance, sorry, support. You understand? The market did respect this support here. This was a beautiful touch and go, you understand, to the top side. You understand? And we are currently on this resistance there. You understand? So we just have to wait and see on the smaller time frames how the market respected that zone. You understand? So as I move to my daily chart, what am I looking for on my daily chart? I am looking for the market structure. You understand? We can see that we had our impulse correction. We have to wait for that correction and then push to the top side and break this high. You understand? Or we should wait and monitor this, and maybe it might create a double top and then push to the downside. We are not the market makers. We don't control the market. We just follow our strategy and follow what the market gives us. You understand? So you can see, guys, we have our impulses and corrections, meaning we are looking for more buying opportunities than selling opportunities. You understand? So don't be caught in the trap of you blowing accounts because now you are thinking the market is on its selling trend or bearish trend. Understand? So yeah, let's see something. My trend, it's not that beautiful, it's not that interesting, but then 2 points connect a trend line. We have our first and a second point. We have our first touch and we have our second touch. You understand? So 2 points connect a trend line. So I'll just move to my 4-hour chart. You understand? I'll just move to my 4-hour chart and let's see what can we find on our 4-hour chart. You understand? Okay, that's beautiful. You see, as we go to smaller time frames, everything starts to make sense now. So let me just minimize this. Okay, let me just minimize this. Okay. Okay, so you can see that we respected this zone. was identified on our weekly chart, and the market simply went to the top side. You understand? You can see the market never came to respect this zone. The market never came to respect this zone. So these two zones are the zones that we need to monitor. You can see we had our first, our second, our third touch, then the market went to the top side. You understand? So yeah, on the downside, we just have to fix the trend. Understand? We simply have to fix the trend line there. Understand? We simply have to fix the trend line there, and we can see we had a 90% rule that needed to be complete. Understand? We had a 90% rule that needed to be completed. You understand? Let me just do this. That's why I said we don't really have the beautiful trend that we were looking for on the daily chart, but now we can see everything starts to make sense. You understand? Everything starts to make sense. I think you're also seeing the vision that I'm also seeing. Understand, guys? So let me just delete this, also just delete this, so we can concentrate on what's currently happening. Understand? So we had a bullish, sorry about that, we had a bearish trend. Understand? And the market came and broke this trend, and it respected this resistance there, and the market pushed, slightly pushed. It never came here, but it slightly pushed, and then now it's on its way to complete the 90% rule. You understand? So we might be still looking for those buying opportunities on your London session. You understand? But regarding New York session, just look for those selling opportunities. As I also said, we have to monitor this zone, guys. You understand? Golden zone on this case, it won't work out due to the fact that we don't have a high and low. We only have a low, but we don't have a high. So it's useless for me to use it from there to there. You understand? It's useless for me to use it from there to there. You understand? Even though it gave us an entry here, but then for now it's useless because we don't have any gray candlestick. You understand? That's coming down, so we can identify this level as a high. You understand? I'm sure you are getting me, guys. So we just have to look for that completion of the 90% rule to this level there. You understand? So let's just move to the 1 hour chart to see what's there for us to find. You understand? So on the 1 hour chart, what are we looking for? Wow, guys, can you see how beautiful this is? Guys, please subscribe to the channel if you didn't subscribe, and also hit that notification bell, and also comment below and like the video so YouTube can recommend it to many people. Can you see how beautiful it is, guys? Can you see? And we also had an inside trend here. We also had an inside trend here, guys. We also had something there. Can you see? Let me just do this. Yes, sir. We also had something there. Can you see? Let me just share this, guys. We also had a trend, a break here, and a retest there. You understand? The market came and retested this trend and pushed to the top side, and it's still pushing. You understand? But for now, it's no longer valid because the market left. You understand? We just have to focus on the current one. But you can still see we are having a completion of the 90% rule. We are still pushing to the top side because we broke two trends. We broke this trend there, we broke another trend. So something like this, understand? Have to wait for the market to go and touch there or there, but it's gonna touch there, one of the two zones there. You understand? Either the red one or this one that we identified on our weekly chart. You understand? So we simply have to wait for those buying opportunities to the top side. You understand? I think we don't have any entry point at this current moment, guys. Understand? I don't think we have any. Understand? We don't just take trades, guys. So we had a low there, we had a high there. Understand? We had a high there. So you can see the market came into this gray candle. The market came there, guys. See, the market came there. So these were your buying opportunities going to the top side. You understand? But now you can see the market is already on its way to the top side. We don't have any high and low. This was the only high and low that we identified on the 30-minute chart, and it was valid for us to use, as you can all see. So let's see something. What do we have here? I don't think we have anything. Let's just move to the smallest time frame, 5 minutes. You understand? Okay, beautiful. So we have a high, we have a low there. We have a low there. We have a high there. You understand? We have a high, we have a low. Okay, simply use this. Simply use this. Let's just stretch it. So you can see the market also came. Understand? You can see the market came there. Then now it's currently pushing to the top side. So what are you looking for now, guys? What are you looking for? You can see the golden zone is being respected on all time frames. You understand? It's a matter of fact on how you are able to use it. You just have to use it, you understand, in a proper way. So we have a low here, guys. We have a low there, and we have a high. And thanks to those who are using the golden zone. Thanks, guys. I've seen your work, and some of you also tagged me on TikTok showing me the power of the golden zone. Thanks, guys. Thanks. I'm so happy to see that it works, you understand. So now we just have to necessarily wait for the market. We simply have to wait for the market to come here, understand, then push to the top side. This is what we are looking for, understand. We will be taking those buying opportunities. You need to be looking for those buying opportunities around 10, understand, London session, understand. You simply have to look for those buying opportunities, you understand. This is what you should be looking for, you understand. Also about that, this is what you should be looking for, those buying opportunities around London session on US30, you understand. You have to look for those buying opportunities. Let's not waste no more time, and let's move to NAS100, you understand. So on NAS100, you know, guys, I always start on my highest time frame. This is a thing of every time, you understand. So let's identify our low and let's identify our high. So we have our low here, we have our high there, guys, understand. So the market broke this high there, understand. The market broke this high with a 4 candlestick, and the market came inside. What does that tells us? We have to find out, you understand. We have to find out, you understand. We have to find out, oh, is it valid for me to use this low there and that high there? Sorry about that, let me just fix it. But then let's see if my zones will be on one of these places, you understand. So we simply have a candlestick from this to there. Okay, so we have a candlestick from there to there. Okay, so one of these zones there is valid. We have a candlestick there to there. What's happening? Candlestick there. What's happening to this point there? Okay, and also we have a candlestick from there to there. Okay, so you can see the market really respected this zone there, understand, guys. The market did respect this zone there. The market did respect this zone there, and we simply have what is, let's try this one there to there, understand. You can also see the market respected this zone there, understand. Let me just do this. What's happening, guys? I think the network is bad. Okay, so yeah, so let's just focus on these ones, guys, understand. This is very far for me, so let's just focus on this current one, understand. So let's just mark our current support. Let's mark our current support there, and also mark our resistance, you understand, where the market is currently at, you understand. So you can see previously the market respected, currently the market is there. What are we looking for actually? Let's move to our daily chart, you understand. Let's move to our daily chart and find out what are we looking for. Beautiful. So you can see we had an impulse correction, so we are breaking this resistance, guys. Trust me, believe me or not, we are breaking this resistance, because you can see the market has been on its what bullish trend. There's impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse correction, impulse, understand. And the impulse that needs to be formed, it's something that will break this high, understand. So something like that. So you can see, guys. So let me just see if I can connect a trend line from there, understand, to there. Okay, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. So from there to there. So let me just stretch it. Okay, beautiful. Understand? Let me just move to my 4-hour chart now. So we are also looking for those buying opportunities, guys. Understand? We are also looking for those. Never mind the space here, guys. What's important is what is currently happening. Understand? What's important is what is currently happening. Understand? What's important is what is currently happening. So you can pretty see the market, guys. Understand how it is. So we have been creating the impulses, corrections, impulses to the top side. The market did respect this zone here, pushed. Now it's currently on the same zone. I believe around 10 tomorrow, guys, London session, the market will break this resistance. Then once the market breaks this resistance with the 4 candlesticks, that's whereby you need to enter those buying opportunities on that candle. Understand? Because it's still volatile, it has the momentum. Understand? So you can see how beautiful the chart is. I never disappoint, guys. You understand? I never disappoint. You understand? I never disappoint you guys. Understand? So what are we looking for? Let's use the golden zone. Let's use the golden zone. Where are we using the golden zone? Please identify the place. Okay, so let's use it from this low there to that high. We can see the market respected. Let's use it from there to that high there. We can see the market respected. Understand? The market respected there. So let's use it from there to there. We can see the market respected. And then let's use it from there to there. Understand? We can see the market didn't come and respect. You understand? So it's a thing of this zone there. Let me just do this. It's a thing of the market. It's a thing of the market, guys. Needs to come here. Understand? It's a thing of the market needs to come here. Understand? This zone here. Once the market comes back here, we are entering those buying opportunities. So we simply have to put let's use the golden zone again, from the low there to the high there. Okay, so simply take the stop loss somewhere here. Understand? So let's delete this and simply take those buying opportunities to this zone here. Understand? But then we have a support here. We have a strong support here. Understand? The market respected there. So we simply have your first TP should be there. And once the market breaks this red line, then you know you have to take your buying opportunities to that zone there. Understand? But this is what you are currently looking for. Understand? Let's see if we have something also that can support our statement. Okay, let's see something there. We had a trend there. Understand? We had a trend there. Understand, guys? We had a trend there. We had a trend there. Understand? We had a trend that was broken. Understand? So the market simply has to come there. Understand? But for now, let's focus on this point there. Understand? This red line. Understand? Let's focus there, guys. You understand? So simply something like that. We have to focus on those buying opportunities once the market touches this point and then push to the top side. You understand? Then let's see DXY. The same thing happens, guys. We have to start on our weekly chart. I repeat, guys, let's please subscribe if you didn't subscribe. If you got this far, thanks, guys. I appreciate you. Understand? I appreciate. So we are identifying our lows, our highs. Understand? And then I pretty see that we have something here. We have something here, but we will use our zones to see if this zone here was also respected. You understand? So let me just zoom in to see something. You understand? Let me just zoom in to see something. Okay. 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 And guys, just know, guys, taking trades, it's very important, you understand. Taking trades is very important. Following your strategy is very important, you understand. Putting your mind into your strategy is very important, you understand. Following what your strategy tells you is very important, you understand. Trade what you see, not what you think. That's the most important thing, guys. It's one of the things that I also used to do, and it affected me in a way that I never thought everything that I'm doing is real, you understand. I thought everything that is happening here is fake, you understand. This thing, it's all fake, you understand, till I saw that, okay, the biggest mistake that I'm currently doing, it's just me focusing on what I think, you understand. What you think, it's not what will put money into your screen, you understand. You'll never see profits, guys. If you trade what you think, you'll never put profits. Just trade what you see, understand. Simple. Just trade what you see, and then just avoid a lot, you understand. So you can pretty see the market respected many of these zones, understand, but now it's a confusion of many rejections. You don't even know, understand. But we just have to focus on our current resistance. We can see the market currently, it's here. So it's either on the smaller time frame it broke, then we know we are looking for those buying opportunities. But if it closed below, we know we are looking for those selling opportunities, you understand. As I said, guys, you have to trade what you see, not what you think, you understand. Trade what you see, not what you think, because if you trade what you think, it will affect you negatively, guys. It will affect you negative. You will keep on depositing money to the broker, and you will never gain anything, understand. You will never gain anything, guys. So you can see the market, it's currently on this zone here. It's currently on this zone, and we can see we are on a bearish trend, you understand. We are on the bearish trend. We are introduced on a bearish trend. Sorry about that. We are introduced on a bearish trend, guys. 2 points connect a trend line. That's what I always say, guys, you understand. 2 points connect a trend line. So let me just go to my 4-hour chart, you understand. GER30, it's not really impressing me, you understand. Oh wow, okay. So now we see that we are looking for those buying opportunities, as I said. Understand, we are looking for those buying opportunities. As I said, let me just minimize this, guys. Let me just minimize this. Okay, beautiful. So now you can see we are introduced on those buying opportunities, and the market is sitting on a point whereby, let me just delete this, guys, so you can all see. You can see where is the market sitting on, guys. This is powerful. Can you see where the market is currently sitting at? Let me just zoom in, guys. Can you see? Okay, let me just zoom out. So the market is currently sitting there. I think we have a trend there, something that we can use, understand, as one of our confluences, understand. So you can see the market broke this trend there, understand. Came to resist. Now we are looking for those buying opportunities. So we simply have to take those buying opportunities from this zone there, understand, to this point there. For now, understand. For now, then once the market breaks this straight line, then you know we are coming there, understand. We just have to focus there. One thing that I can tell you guys, don't ever put or execute a trade without any confirmation. That's one of the things I always tell you on every video that I take, understand. If you are using a golden zone and you can see the market is not coming into your extreme zone, which is on your 4-hour, then guys, don't force any trade, you understand. Allow the market to be the way it is, understand. But if you don't see a low and a high on your 4-hour chart, that's where by now you can go down to if you don't see any low and high on your 4-hour chart, that's where by now you can go on your 1-hour chart to look for that, you understand. If you also don't see, you can still scale down, you understand, like we did on Nasdaq, you understand. If you didn't pay attention to that, then please go back and watch this video, guys, on the beginning, you understand, so you can see how we scaled down looking for the possible entry point, you understand. But one of the things that matters the most is your confirmations, guys. You have to have certain confirmations that you are looking for. So you can see that we are looking for the market to buy to that end of this beginning of the trend. Do you understand? Simple. This is what you should be looking for. Understand? This is what we should be looking for. You can also see how these zones are respected. The market respected these zones multiple times. Whatever rejections that you are currently seeing here, it's the same rejections that we saw on the weekly chart. You understand? So it's your one and only BSLEC72, as you all know me, your mentor, guys. You understand? Let me just use a golden zone here from the low here. Understand? To the high there. It's a thing of, let me just scale down to 1 hour and see something, guys. See something. Let me see something. Wait, before anything else, let me just see something. I just want to see something. What are we looking for? Okay, sorry about that. What are we looking for there? Okay, no, it's okay. So you can see the market left us. You understand? The market left us. So I don't have any doubt. It's no longer coming here. You just have to focus on this current one. Understand? Focus on these buying opportunities. Understand? So all the indices are pretty showing me the buying opportunities. It's because you can see the market came here, respected this zone, closed. You understand? The market on Friday closed above. You understand? So we just have to look for those selling opportunities. You understand? We just have to look for those selling opportunities. Let me see something low, high. Okay, so you can see we had our golden zone still there. You understand? Now golden zone still supports this entry point, so your stop loss has to simply be somewhere here. Understand? Wait, let me just put this there. Let me just fix this. Yeah, okay. So this is how you should be looking for those buying opportunities to this point there. You understand? For now, but you can still aim this point there. Once the market breaks, you know you're coming there. Once the market breaks, you're still going to the top side. So let's just aim this here. Understand? Let's just aim there. We have a support there. Understand? We have a support there. You understand? And also we have a resistance and a support there. So these are your levels, these red levels there. These are your levels for your TPs. This is how you take your TPs, guys. I'll also make a video regarding that. If you didn't subscribe to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and also hit that notification bell for you to be notified whenever we'll be dropping the next one. And also let's share the channel and grow the channel to many people, and don't forget to comment and like so YouTube can recommend the video to many people out there. You know the vibes, guys. It's your one and only BSLEC72, as you all know me, your mentor. I love you all. Peace, good night, have a beautiful and a profitable week.